Are you curious about which Linux distribution is better? Today, we are comparing Fedora and Linux Mint. Both are popular choices, but they serve different needs. Fedora and Linux Mint are both Linux operating systems. They are user friendly and come with lots of software. However, they have different focuses. Fedora is known for being cutting edge, while Linux Mint aims for simplicity and ease of use. Let's start with Fedora. It's a community driven project backed by Red Hat. Fedora gives users the latest software and features. It's perfect for developers and tech enthusiasts who want to try new things. Fedora uses the GNOME desktop environment, which is modern and sleek. It's great for those who enjoy a fresh look. Now, let's talk about Linux Mint. This distribution is based on Ubuntu and is designed for everyday users. It focuses on providing a familiar experience, especially for those switching from Windows. Linux Mint comes with three desktop environments: Cinnamon, Mat, and XFCE. This variety allows users to pick what they like best. Now, what are the key differences? Fedora is more about innovation, while Linux Mint prioritizes stability. If you want the latest features, go for Fedora. But if you prefer a reliable and easy experience, Linux Mint is the way to go. When it comes to features, Fedora offers a lot of customization options. It has a wide range of software available through its repositories. Linux Mint, on the other hand, comes pre-installed with many essential applications, making it ready to use right away. In terms of pricing, both are free to download and use. You won't have to spend a penny on either one. So, which one should you choose? If you love experimenting with new tech, Fedora is a great fit. But if you want something straightforward and user friendly, Linux Mint is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content.